Ever noticed how your favorite products are always on the shelf when you need them? That's the magic of front end supply chain. In this video, we will explore the front end supply chain, the crucial link between businesses and customers, from warehousing to sales and distribution, transportation and customers' feedback. We will see how products move from the warehouse to your hands with real life examples that demonstrate the process. Warehousing. IKEA uses massive warehouses to store its flat-pack furniture before it's distributed to stores worldwide. These warehouses are strategically located to reduce transportation costs and delivery times. Warehousing is where finished goods are stored before they are shipped to retail locations. An efficient warehousing system, often using technology like automated picking and packing, ensures that products are ready to distributions when needed. Sales distribution. Coca-Cola uses a sophisticated distribution network to deliver beverages to supermarkets, restaurants, and vending machines worldwide. By analyzing sales data, Coca-Cola ensures that products are always available where they are most needed. Sales and distribution involve carrying products from warehouses to various sales channels such as stores, online platforms, or directly to consumers. Effective distribution strategies reduce delivery time and cost, ensuring that products reach customer quickly. Transportation. FedEx specializes in last mile delivery, the final step of transporting packages from distribution centers to customer stores. This stage is crucial for e-commerce companies like Amazon, which rely on fast, reliable delivery to satisfy customers. Transportation as the front-end supply chain focuses on moving products from warehouses to retail locations or directly to consumers. Companies must optimize routes and delivery methods to ensure timely and cost-effective distribution. Shopkeeper. A local grocery store owners manages inventory, displays products, and interacts with customers to ensure a seamless shopping experience. Their role is vital in ensuring that products are available and that customers are satisfied. The shopkeeper represents the final touchpoint in the supply chain before the product reaches the customer. They are responsible for maintaining stock, managing display, and providing customer service, all of which impact sales and customer satisfaction. Customers' feedback. Companies like Amazon use customer feedback to improve product offering and supply chain processes. By analyzing reviews and ratings, they can identify trends and address issues that affect customer satisfaction. Customer feedback is crucial for refining supply chain processes. It helps companies identify what's working and what isn't, allowing them to make adjustments that improve product quality, delivery times, and overall customer experience. The front-end supply chain is where products meet the market by mastering the process of warehousing, distribution, transportation, and customer interaction. Companies can ensure that their products are always available when and where customers want them.